Hi, and thanks for tuning in to another one of my famous Gusto's daily videos. Before we get started, I'd like to thank all of my fans for tuning in, and I'd like to give a couple special shout outs. One to my girl Mia Bays, who sent me a video on St. Patty's Day. So cute. Another to Dax Boggs. You are awesome. A couple days ago, already sent me all of his answers to his review. Pretty cool. Who else? Let me think. Savannah Kyle. Pretty cool, emailing me with questions about her work. And there's somebody else. Lucy Cerna. Thank you for writing in to say that you missed me. I miss you too. I miss all of you. So, back to business. Topic of discussion today. You guessed it, review packet. Let's get started where we left off last. Okay, so we need to write each decimal as a fraction. If you remember, we talked about reading a decimal and a fraction, and they should sound the same because of place value. So here I have 0.75. 75 is in the hundredths place. So that means I'm going to write 75 over 100. And there I have 75 hundredths as a decimal and a fraction. Oh, for all of you that are booing out there because I'm not talking in my British accent, I'm trying to be real for once. You never know what's going to happen with these videos, right? Okay, BTW, you should check out the video beforehand where I was in the classroom. Did not have a lot of participation, hoping for a little bit more in my next classroom video. All right, back to number 11. I have 1 as a whole number, and 25 is in the hundredths place, so again, I'm putting that over 100. Now, I know some of you out there in the audience are shouting because those can be simplified. If that is you, which I'm thinking would probably be Carson, who usually likes to shout out, "Hey, Mrs. Gus, what about simplifying?" Good for you. I'm glad that you remembered that. So you should automatically know 75 over 100 is the same as 3/4, and 25 over 100 is the same as 1/4. Next, we have write the improper fraction as a mixed number in simplest form. Ooh, that's a mouthful. Okay, so let's change this improper fraction to a mixed number, meaning how many groups of 2 fit into 7? That would be 3 groups. I have 1 left over, 1 remainder. Keep 2 as the denominator. Now, simplest form. Can I simplify that? No, Carson, I cannot. It is already simplified. All right, Emmett, I know you knew that. Let's move on to this next one. I already have some notes here. Write each fraction as a decimal. I took 3/50ths and I wrote it as an equivalent fraction, 6/100. And I did that by multiplying both by 2. If you do that, multiply both by 2 to get 6/100, and you have it over 100, then it's easier to write as a decimal. So 6 over 100, 6/100 can also be written as a decimal with 6 in the hundredths place, tenths, hundredths. 7 over 10, 7 is in the tenths place. Oh, Trina's saying hi. Trina, they can't see you. She just always has to try to be the life of the party. Okay, 7 in the tenths place. Trina, if you want to say hi, come here so they can see you. Come here. All right. Good girl. Whoop. Sorry, I got my leg in there. I'm in my PJs, guys and girls. All right. Here we go. And then 1 and 2 tenths I got by multiplying 1 and 1/5 by 2. And then I'm going to write that as 1 and 2 in the tenths place. Okay. Trina, let me know before you decide to take over my show next time. Should have went to a commercial break. Oof. Okay. I think we should call it quits for now. And any of you who have a good background theme song for my videos, go ahead and write into my producer and I will consider them, because I'm really having a hard time with all of these background do-do-do-do-do-do-do's and things like that. Maybe a good theme song playing in the background might be a good idea. Any ideas for costumes, props, you name it. Go ahead, email me. Let me know what you think. Just don't throw tomatoes, please. Okay, love you. Talk to you later. Until next time. Bye-bye.